Maybe I'm not pretty, maybe I'm just fun. Cause I've got a belly and I've got a bum. And I'm always jelly of all the other ones with the itty bitty bellies and the rump up bums. I knew that I should love myself, but it's getting kinda hard when
nobody ever knows, nobody ever sees. I left my soul back then, oh I'm too weak. Most nights I pray for you to come home, praying to the Lord, praying for my soul. Now please don't go. Most nights I hardly sleep when I'm alone. Now please. Tinitigan ko, nilapitan ko, hanggang sa may diwata na pagdilat ko. Nalasing kagabi, ang galing katabi, kanabi, dapat tinitigan ko, nilapitan ko, hanggang sa may diwata na pagdilat ko. Nalasing kagabi, ang galing katabi, kanabi, dapat.
Hey, sweetness.
I love my family because they are the best. And my family is just my family. I love them very much. Thank you.
Patahimik mo si... focus. Missy, huwag ka man na magulo, Missy. Quiet, quiet. Ay, si Princess, hindi niya pa masyado kabisado. Naku, si Princess. Ay, saan Princess? Okay, next. Ano sunod? Hey, smile ah. Wait lang, mapa na. Missy. Wait lang, baby ah. Baby, wait lang, baby. Teka lang pa, nagpa-practice kasi sila.
Pangalan mo daw?
Hazel.
Hazel? Kasi gusto daw ng mama ko makita yung mga TikTok namin.
Sige, wait lang.
Ano ulit?
Wait lang, wait lang.
Hazel?
Tingnan mo nga kung tama yung ano nila. Oh. Oh, nalito na si Princess.
Dito ka, Lai. Lai, ano ba kaya nakikita?
Usog ka daw, Maria.
Igorot yan.
Folk dance? Ano igorot? Hindi yan igorot. Mukha bang igorot yan? Okay. Hay mo na kayo sa camera. Hay mo na kayo sa... Bago. Dali. Ito. Surprise!
Surprise!
Surprise! Lala! Akala ko wala kita. Kukuha lang ako ng gunting.
Why did you go to my house?
Ano nangyari? Raid. Hindi handa. Bella was there. Why there, Bella?
You let Wait, who?